Dad.
A big brother is supposed to look after his little sister. And it looks like he took care of her.
On the count of three, let's run and jump into this. 1, 2, 3.
Hi.
1, 2, 3.
Keep going. They say the third time's the harm.
2, 3.
Look out. She's gonna blow.
And you could be the $10,000 winner.
You know what, man?
Because this is funny.